If you look at it today, the most successful playlist on Spotify is something that is referred to algotorials. And they are not for every use case, but basically, if I tell you something like songs to sing in a car, everybody knows what that means, but it might be
Mhm.
very different in taste. So in that case, editors, instead of curating like 40 songs, they maybe curate a pool of 1,000 tracks. And then the machine learning knows how your taste profile looks like and picks not only the tracks, but also like take the artist that reflects your kind of intention and priming you for that experience. And then, of course, over time, since I left, AI and more advanced kind of algorithms and stuff like that comes in. So I think they can track a lot of more data. I think right now, to be honest, I think they have so much data, so it's almost like complicated to
Mhm.
really navigate the portion of what to use and what's performing best.
I could imagine. And I know you were on the global aspects of things, and I want to bring this into your expertise when it comes to emerging artists. And I know now, even on my Spotify, introducing me Bad Bunny last week, the new album came out, and so that's I think almost number one or number one here in the United States. How did you introduce like balance user preferences with introducing emerging artists? And then how did you introduce global artists into different countries?
Yeah, it's a good thing. So what we did, if we go this, because I think in a way you need to have a hypothesis, and you basically need to have like a manual view how this should be working. When we were there, we had a strategy because we built out editorial team to really understand the different domestic market because they were extremely different, and we also wanted to find a way how different editors in different regions to work with others and introduce these artists over the borders. And now it's a really like a global market. The way we looked at it at that time was really try to create like a playlist syndicate where we had what we
Mhm.
call like a lot of feeder playlists, different based, how we can introduce new artists in the right context and get feedback from users. Basically saying like, we believe that this, user has this taste and this new record, uh, could be a new artist that they like. And how can we introduce that and get data? So basically the way we did it was like getting it out as much as possible at that time, and then slowly move it up to it and see where the groove hits, like, and if you were successful, we always had like the equivalent to the today's top hits in the US in every country, which was no genres, was like the most popular song. So you could actually travel through that. And then when data come into this and starting, it's a little about trying to uh, refine that by having data and AI doing a lot of that work.